how to download the transit application. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can download the transit application, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into is to open up your mobile device just like I have done here, and then once you've opened it up, move to your Play Store or your App Store in order to um display your applications. So once you've opened your Play Store, your App Store, you can see different application here. Then the next thing to do is to move to the top part of the screen, and then you click on the search icon. After clicking on the search icon, you'll be brought to the home screen automatically. So on this search search place, in the search box, type out transit app. Alright, so after typing out transit app, the page would load, and then the app would be displayed to you. So if you don't have it installed, by the right side of the screen where you can see update for me, you would see download or install instead. So just go ahead and click on it, and then you wait for it to be downloaded, and then it will be saved on your device. Then other applications that are related to this transit app would be displayed to you, and you can check them out if you want to. But this is basically how you can download transit application. It is very simple, so go download it today. Thanks for watching.